We're here in the Creative Kitchen looking at the concept art for the Granville Estate. It's part of the Flappers project. It's center stage. And today, the focus of our tutorials will be on these gray side areas of the panels. They're called coins. And these were often put to cap off brickwork on finer building projects. And so you can see that we have it rendered there. We're going to pull back now and look at the actual project. You can see that we have begun to paint the physical scenery, and I'm going to go over here to the right. Now you're looking at the coins. So you can see now in this shot, you can see the rendering there to my left, coming over here to the actual artwork here to the right, and you're looking at the finished product of the coins. One thing I want to point out is layering color. Sometimes artists will typically cover up the layer before completely with their next paint layer, and we want to avoid that because you lose interest. So we base coated this project with the honey beige, and that's this light vanilla cream color that you see up there, and that color is behind or underneath everything that you see painted here. Then through the process of adding different colors and different steps, we layered obviously things with the amaretto and chocolate pudding, for example, to do the brick. And we used a gray color called Greystone over here, and then finished it off with Knight's Armor. So after the honey beige base coat, we used a color called Greystone, and I'm going to come over here to this area where you can see this was the second step of those coins. And the more of a light gray color is what we use, but you can see that we allowed the hints of the honey beige base coat to still come through that Greystone color. And now we're ready for our final application, as the Greystone and honey beige themselves look a little bright and they don't really have a good anchor. They're a little bit too light in contrast with the rest of the set being more of a dark and medium dark tone. So now we're going to pan over here to what will be the finished look. You can see that these coins now are more of a medium gray than a light gray. And to do that, we used the same color, in fact, as we base coated the gray up here. So you see that medium dark gray between the roof tiles. That's the same exact color as what we used here. But if you notice in the finished product, you can see hints of the honey beige base coat still. See right in there. There's a little bit up there, right there. You can also see the Greystone, especially this block right there. So all three tones are represented still in the finished artwork, and that's what gives interest to your work. So this is a touch where you don't want to be heavy-handed, but you want to have a light hand so that you allow those different colors to permeate through your top coat.